In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Mailchimp, even if you're just starting out. Mailchimp is a versatile platform that can help you manage your email marketing campaigns with ease. First, let's get you set up with a Mailchimp account. Head over to Mailchimp.com and create a free account by following the sign up process. Mailchimp offers various plans, so choose either the free or a paid option depending on your current needs and future growth plans. Once your account is ready, it's time to build an email list. This is an essential step because your list is a valuable asset that enables direct communication with your audience. Start by creating a sign-up form. Mailchimp provides customizable forms that you can either embed on your website or share via a link. To access this, navigate to Forms, then Other Forms, and select Form Builder. In the drop-down menu, choose the sign-up form option and customize it to reflect your brand and engage your audience. To entice people to join your list, offer a lead magnet. This could be a free resource like an ebook, a checklist, or a webinar. The goal is to provide something valuable in exchange for their email addresses. Promotion is key here. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn to share your form and encourage sign-ups. Next, focus on creating valuable content. Sending regular newsletters is a great way to build a lasting relationship with your audience. Click on Create, then Email, and select Regular Email to get started. You can name and design your email to suit your style. The content within should offer helpful tips, product recommendations, or inspiring success stories. It's crucial to maintain a balance between promotional and educational content, ensuring your audience stays engaged rather than overwhelmed by sales pitches. Once you're satisfied with your email, go ahead and click Send. Now, let's talk about monetizing using Mailchimp. If you have products, digital courses, or coaching services, email campaigns are a fantastic way to promote them. Consider creating a paid newsletter as well, where you can offer premium content for a monthly fee. This not only adds value to your subscribers, but also generates a steady income stream. Lastly, you can offer email marketing services to other businesses. Managing Mailchimp accounts for others can be lucrative, and it's a great way to apply your skills while earning a fee in return. Each of these methods provides a unique opportunity to leverage your Mailchimp expertise for financial gain. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully generating income through Mailchimp. So, take the first step today and watch your efforts flourish.